Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and this is going to be a really quick tutorial. And I just want to talk about string concatenation. And what that is it's just adding strings together, and it's just going to be a simple tutorial. And we're going to do the same hello world tutorial, but I want to show you that you can actually add strings together to get the same results. And now this is going to add these two parts together, and it's going to create a whole string. If I was going to add the two parts, it'd be like two pieces of a puzzle, and you add them together to get one piece that is combined, and it's the result of those two pieces. So that's going to output, and I'll show you the output right here. As you can see, it outputs hello world, and it adds the two parts together and it combines them. Now we can do this with numbers also if we want to have numbers inside the string, and I'm just gonna write 2 and 3, and you'll see what it outputs. I'll just run the program quickly again, and we'll get 2 space 3 because that's what I wrote down to be outputted. But there'll be a case if you want to output those two numbers and you did something like this, and this is incorrect because instead of printing out 2 and 3, since there's no definition of a string, and adding those two strings excuse me, and adding those two strings together is going to actually add the numbers. It's going to view those numbers as actual numbers, and it's going to operate on the 2. And as you can see from the output, it actually outputs 5 instead of 2 and 3. But if I did something like this, I can change that output. Now, here's what I'm doing is I'm adding 2 to the string, the space string, and adding that 2 space plus the 3. And now we get the output that was as the previous example. So remember, try to not make that mistake of having those numbers and you're trying to add them together, two parts of the string. Or if I was going to add something like 5 plus, and I wanted to actually write 5, don't write that because it will add these two together. You would want to add the string space and a plus so that it interprets it as a string and not actually adding those two values together. So that's just a quick note, and that's about it. So just remember that, and thanks for watching.